welcome back to my channel.
So today's video is going to be a curling video. I'm going to curl my hair using this. This is the Duvolle. This is a flat iron. What do they call this? They call this the Desire Series Styling Iron.
She pretty.
I am going to turn this on really quick, get it nice and hot, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so it's good and hot. I'm gonna start by putting some heat protection in my hair. Instead of doing each section as I go, I'm just gonna kind of spray it throughout right now, just so it's kind of all over. And it's on my glasses and in my mouth. Gross.
Let's begin.
I am going to just start with my bang. I always curl away from the face. On both sides, I'll curl away. So I'm going to start with my bang here. I'm just gonna take it and wrap it around away from my face like that. Ooh, that turned out really cute. And again, I'm not doing like big sections. I'm just gonna kind of grab sections as I go, wrap it away from my face and just kind of slide down. This curl's really good. You have to make sure not to wrap it too tight and hold it too tight. Otherwise, obviously, it's going to not move on your hair. And for the sections, I'm saying probably about 2 inches of hair in each section. And I'm just kind of pulling it down slowly away from the face. This is working so good. I think these are gonna be curls that stay really, really well in my hair. Can you guys see that? So I'm grabbing a section, starting at the top, wrapping it around here, and then just pulling it down. That's cute. Okay, grab another one on the top here. You can section it if you want to. I just prefer to do it this way with my hair. I feel like it works a little bit better. So just wrapping it around. That is so cute. I love this. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more to this top part. I'm gonna grab this top section right here and work closer to the base. That's adorable, you guys. This is working so fast. It got so hot. I think it went up to 450. I turned it all the way up to 450, obviously. If your hair is super damaged, you may not want to turn it up that high, but for me, I feel like it just works a little bit faster to turn it up to the high heat. So I'm just spinning it away from the face. That didn't work out very good. Grab the hair and curl. This is so cute. This works so good. I've never used this brand before, Duvolle. But I really like this. This is awesome. And of course the straightener is so cute. This pink color is adorable. I do have a code for you guys as well if you are interested in checking out their website. They have actual curling irons, they have straightening wands, they have products for your face. If you use the code OGRADY, I'll put it right here, you get 70% off, which is absolutely insane. That is like a steal right there, especially with Christmas coming up. So I'm just spinning away. And I'm just grabbing section by section. I honestly can't believe how well this is working. I love it. Okay, so I have this side basically done. I'm gonna work on the back in a minute. I wanna do the other front section of my face. So again, I'm gonna curl away. So I'm gonna grab this section right here, holding it with my arm like this, and then just curling away from the face. Oh, it's cute. Grab another section, put it in there, and curl away from the face. I think that was kind of a big section. Let me grab more towards the top. This is so cute. I love these curls. I honestly think these are going to be curls that stay in my hair all day long. Sometimes when I curl my hair, I can tell it might not last that long. These I feel like are going to. Okay, let me keep curling. I'm going to speed this up. I will show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. so I think I'm pretty much done. Let me grab my mirror so I can take a look at the whole thing and just kind of see where I'm at. Oh, my tag is sticking out. No good. This is cute. Grab some pieces that I missed or that could be a little bit more curled. Okay. What do you guys think? I love these curls. Like, this is so cute. And they're like bigger, like waves, so they're not perfect. I feel like this is like good for going to work. This would be good for a wedding. This would be good for the grocery store. It would be good for anything, honestly. Like, this is so cute. What do you guys think? Do you guys want to see me do an actual straightening video with this curling iron? I love it. This is awesome. I would highly recommend this. So again, if you guys want to check this out or check out the website, it's Duvolle.com. My code is O'Grady for 70% off. Let me know what you think, and I will see you soon with a straightening video.